Hi guys, welcome to the North Shore Dance Society and the Dancer's Book. My name is Aleksandar Bonev. In today's video I'm going to teach you the basic cha-cha side chassé in American rhythm. Guys, I'm going to start with your steps. So left foot will be free and we're going to go to the left. One step to the left. From here, rock back, replacing your body weight on the left foot, brushing your feet and going cha-cha. One. Left foot will be free. We'll take a forward step on the left. We'll replace. We'll brush the feet and then we'll again go cha, cha, one. Different angle. Left foot free. Step to the left. Take a step backwards. Replace your weight. Brush the feet and go quick, quick, slow. Left foot forward, replace your weight, and once again, quick, quick, slow. Last time, left foot free, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Ladies, your part, right foot will be free. You go to the right and you go 1, take a forward step, replace your weight, and now go to the left. Cha, cha, 1, brushing your feet, taking a step backwards, replacing your weight, and going quick, quick, slow, and the rock step. Different angle, right foot free, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. I guess, and a few basics for everyone that is just learning the steps. So both for ladies and gents, when you're dancing, try keeping your upper body vertical, not much swinging from side to side. The feet typically remain on the floor unless you're dancing in a social environment, and obviously the floor is not a wooden. Head position remains up, making sure that you're having eye contact with your partner, and obviously the sternum needs to be facing person you're dancing with. Now, when the feet are passing, every time when you have a rock step, forward or backwards, try brushing your legs, try at least closing the inner thighs, if not anything else, but just closing the inner thighs. In terms of timing, make sure that you are hearing every strong beat of the music. With that being said, when you're dancing, especially the side chassé or the side step of yours, you want to make sure the first two steps are a bit more compact. So when you're going to the, let's say, going to the left, you want to make sure the first two steps are a bit more compact. And step number 3, you can of course expand. You will feel that you have a bit more time. When you're dancing the rock step, make sure that you're not expanding it, that it's not too big. This is a common mistake between, especially when you're starting to learn the cha-cha. If the step is too big, then you'll be struggling with your timing in the first place. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and the like button below. And yeah, just stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.